Welcome back to this video. If you use Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to fix running out of storage issue on your Android phone by merging some of the duplicate files on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Phone Master. So I'm going to click on Phone Master right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to Storage Clean. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to Files. So click on Files. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you look for Clean Up Duplicate Files. Then you have all duplicate file right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you come down below right there and click on Clean. You are about to delete 13 documents to save this particular space and cannot retrieve them after deletion. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Delete. And it's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.